last week. So this is our quick Redmi watch review, and we hope we answer most of the questions you have about the new watch. Besides, the Mi Watch Lite, let's look at their design first. Both watches have nothing different from each other. The Redmi watch has a simple square 2.5D curved display, similar to the Apple Watch series. You get a single button on the right side, but most of the operations can be performed via the touchscreen. Note that the display is quite small and that there are thick black bars on the top and bottom part of the 1.4-inch 320x320 pixel resolution screen. However, the black background in the interface helps hide these thick bezels. The Redmi watch is pretty compact with the following dimensions: 41mm by 35mm by 10.9mm. It weighs around 35 grams, so you can wear it all the time, even when sleeping. The back sensors don't protrude much from the body, so the wearing experience is good. The sides of the watch is also polished and curved, so it doesn't feel cheap. The watch comes with an optical heart rate sensor, 6-axis sensor, geomagnetic sensor, and an ambient light sensor. Almost 80% of the features of the Redmi watch is similar to the Xiaomi Mi Watch, including switching songs, controlling the volume, receiving messages, measuring heart rate, sports tracking, and so on. The key difference between the two watches are sports modes: GPS AI Assistant, NFC battery life, and price. All 7 of the Redmi watch's sports modes and adds 4 more: open water, swimming, trekking, trail running, and cricket. Xiaomi did say that the cricket mode will be added through an OTA upgrade, so out of the box the Mi Watch Lite supports just 10 sports modes. There is another major difference between the two watches. The Redmi watch doesn't have a built-in GPS, which means if you go for an outdoor run or cycle, you have to connect it to your phone to use GPS. The Mi Watch Lite, on the other hand, has GPS and GLONASS for positioning, so you don't have to connect it to your phone to track your trajectory. The Redmi watch also has an AI assistant and NFC. The assistant is Xiaomi Xiao Ai, and with the built-in microphone, users can ask it questions, set alarms, and use it to control compatible smart home appliances. It also has NFC for payments. The Mi Watch Lite doesn't have a built-in assistant, which is why there is no microphone. It also doesn't have NFC, so there's no support for contactless payment. Both watches have the same 230 mAh battery, but the Redmi watch has a lesser battery life, 7 days, compared to Mi watches whose battery life goes up to 9 days on a single charge. However, it should come with certain additional features, such as the NFC and the Xiao Ai Assistant, and a higher price tag than the standard model. That's it. That's what you should know about the Redmi watch and the Xiaomi Watch Lite. If you have any questions about these two wearables, please leave your comments down below. We'll find the answer for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the like button if our video is useful for you. This is Kieran from Gizmo China, and we'll see you soon.